Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up Face Unlock on BlackShark Pad SE. First, you have to open Settings on your tablet, then scroll down to Security and Privacy menu on the sidebar. Here, you're gonna have to go to Device Unlock section and open it. After that, you have to select Face Lock, but before you do that, you're gonna have to set up Screen Lock if you don't have it. If you don't have a screen lock, basically after you tap the face unlock option, you're gonna have to set it up either way, and after that you will end up on this page. Now before we enter the face, as it says, let's wipe the surface of the camera, frontal camera, using microfiber cloth, and let's also make sure that the room where we are is well lit so we can clearly see our face in this camera. Tap enter the face, position your face in this circle looking directly at your device's camera, then tap next and wait until your face is fully scanned. It's gonna take a while. Then tap OK, and now the face is added. So what do we have to do to use the face unlock is lock the device, then press the power button and look at our device's screen. Okay, I exceeded the timeout. Let's try once again. Okay, so it's verifying my face, and as you can see, we have successfully unlocked this device using face recognition scanner. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.